Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, write a Java program to compare two strings. Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. I'll first switch to this Eclipse IDE, and after that I'll go to one of the project, and under the project I'll create a new file where I can write the program or the Java code, you know, for comparing two strings. I'll right click here, click on new and say class. And I'll just give the name of the class with some random name. I'll give a random class name here. Let's say class 9. Select this main method, and the class code and main method code will be auto-generated in Eclipse IDE here. But the main focus is on the program where we have to compare two strings. Let's wait for the program to be created. Yeah. Now here, create two strings. String str1 is equal to, I'll give something like Arun here. And I'll say string str2 is equal to, I'll give Arun, again Arun. Okay. The two strings are equal actually. The value that is assigned to the strings are same. So how to compare two strings? How to write the logic like this. If str1 dot equals, you have to use the equals method, guys. You should not say double equal symbol, we should not use. If you use double equals, right? If you use double equals, it will compare. If you use double equals, it will compare the address of the strings. But if you use equals method, it will, if you use equals method, it will compare the value of the strings. Okay. So now str1 dot equals str2. Here, if they are equal, if the result is true, if the equals method will return true, then I'll say strings are equal. Strings are equal. Else I'll write down system.out.println strings are not equal. Okay, not equal. Given strings are equal. Given strings are not equal. Given strings are not equal. Like this, we can write simple way. I'll enhance the program a bit. For now, let's run this code and see what is happening. String given strings are equal should be printed, guys. In the output, given strings are equal should be printed. So there are some errors. It is saying what is the error? Okay, the code looks good. Okay, one closing brace is missing here. The program. Yeah, now save this and run the code. Right click, run as Java application, and see that given strings are equal will be printed. Given strings are equal. Okay. And what if I give another value to the string 2? In this case, what will happen? Arun is not equal to Varun. So given strings are not equal will be printed. Given strings are not equal will be printed. And instead of manually giving the values for the string 1 and string 2, I'll use the scanner. Okay, whenever you get this kind of simple programs in the interviews, right? So it will not take much time. So to write the logic, but you write in a professional manner like this. Try to collect the input from the user. Okay, these two strings values you collect from the user. Okay, system.in, and hover the mouse on this and import, or Control Shift O, anything you can press to import this scanner class from java.util package. Okay. And after that, here write down system.out.println. System.out.println. Enter first string. Okay. That you want to compare. Enter first string. Here, when the user enters the first string, I'll add, like, instead of giving the value, I'll say scanner.next line, or next is also fine. Okay. Single text, right? So next is also fine. Next line or next you can write here. Then here I'll write down system.out.println. Enter second string. The string contains multiple words. It's better to write next line, guys. If the string contains, or whatever the user is entering, only one word contains, next is enough. So I'll prefer next line in this case. Okay, scanner dot. Both will take the input as the strings, but next will only take only one word in the given string, whereas next line will take the entire statement of the string text given. Scanner dot next line. And once the task is done of collecting the input, at the end of the program, you can simply write down scanner dot close. Otherwise, this warning will keep coming, saying memory leak will happen and all. According to get rid of the scanner object warning, we write scanner dot close. Now run the code and see whether what is happening. It will ask the user to enter two strings. For example, if I enter Arun, then enter again Arun. given strings are equal will be coming. Okay. And if I give some other thing like this time when I run the code, if I give my name Arun and another name, let's say Varun, given strings are not equal will be printed. This is a programming logic or code that you have to write for, okay, comparing two strings. We have to use equals method, never use double equal symbol. Double equal symbol is for comparing the object differences, whereas equals method is for comparing the actual string values. Okay. So hope guys you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.